by vekule when chuanin exponents and powers kan in how do na niya kan zer hawanga exponents chu nge ni power chun ting ni thei kha kan in hawen ta na kan in how tur chu ni thil har tak ni don lawa step by step in kan sui chawanga kan manzel tur ngayang le masabara chuanin enge exponent kan ti chun An exponent refers to the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. Exponent chuanin hei example la 2 cube hetiang hi hei hetianga 2 cube tinzel cube atung mi hi to the power 3 tinzel tur so an exponent refers to the number of times a number is multiplied by itself. Kami number vek ha amba vekina kan multiply na thai na kan ni power hani nuan tuom chuanin voi kan multiply do tina nia hiom chuanin tu kha voi kan multiply do tina 228 tiang ten kan hretem zero a cube pa number sa tiang kha ze kha kan multiply don is multiplied by itself two exponent kan metan is simple to kan sei chuan mo le terminology base the number being multiplied mo eta wayom kha alipi number kan sia da pa kan sia thina kha a base kan ti tun chin don ta ni chuanin exponents the number of times this is used as a factor khami base chu mi tero te kan sia chino kha exponents ka power kan ti tun ta ni kan sei fe zel ha chu man zel tu laws of exponents number 1 chuanin a to the power m a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n to a to the power m plus n a base ai ang ve chuanin a power te kha kan plus don ta hian a power a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n ya chuanin a base ai ang ve sia chuanin a power te kha plus don to a to the power m plus n naksa chuanin a to the power m divided by a to the power n a to the power m divided by power n is an ang ve divide nia divide ve chuanin a to the power m minus n kha tiang em a base an ang ve chuanin sang se nang ve divide ni a right hand side hain kan minus sang chu a to the power m minus n naksa chuanin a to the power m to the power n antilang kan a to the power n ni kan bracket anga to the power n ni le chu a to the power m into n a to the power m ni atro kan bracket anga to the power n ni le don ta ni chu a to the power m into n number 4 chuanin a to the power a chu shet to anything chu example ang sei lokang 99 into the power 1000 base a kha 0 ni tur ani lo not equal to 0 don nia chuanin number 5 a to the power 1 to a thau indinai 2 to the power 1 to 2 2 into 1 2 kha va kha tiang kan multiply to tina to 2 thau a to the power 1 to a thau hei hiao hi kan law of exponents kan mo tur te kan share rang tur te a formula anga kan min tur ta ni number 1 chuan a to the power m into a to the power n to a to the power m plus n number 2 chuan a to the power m divided by a to the power n to a to the power m minus n number 3 chuanin a to the power m bracket to the power n again is equal to a to the power m into n Okay. Number 4 chuan in a to the power 0 is equal to 1 where a is not equal to 0. Oh, number 5 a to the power 1 is a. Okay. ค่าสงค่า can of exponents นี่ให้ที่เช็ดง่ายๆตัวไปหาง่ายๆตัวเช็ดกัดตัวนี้ negative exponents ก็เลยตั้งตัว 29 a to the power a power คือ minus ช่วยa power minus ไม่ได้ชวน a by a n จิลตัว a by a to the power n 1 by ก็ตีนะ sorry a power minus ไม่ได้ชวนกันตัวนั้นตัว 1 divided by a to the power n ได้กัน1 by ตีเซลตัวนี้นั่นตัว example 2 to the power 3 to 1 by a to the power n กันตั้งตัว 1 by 2 to the power 3 2 เข้าไปทุ่มกัน multiply อย่าง 2 into 2 into 2 to 1 by 8 kan answer final answer to negative exponents bikan to kami a to the power kan n minus sorry 1 by isel to 1 by isel to kan man zelem hello to next actually scientific notation use very large or very small numbers number lian number 8 akan nantiyanin 3 million atihin 0 hi parok ma atia 0 parok zia ta ba zia ai sonin 3 into 10 0 mza kha parok kan zia nga 3 into 10 to the power 6 khan ai nang reng ti na 3 0 0 0 0 0 le 3 into 10 to the power 6 kha ai nang reng tu atang kai na nakin zela po kan zir san nga pe zonin hatiang to the power 6 mo to the power 10 to the power z kha kan hong to do na chuang chuan hi share reng tu ni hatiang 0 tam do om phei chuanin yang ni en tina lo pon hei very small number a poti a chuang chuan chanin 0.0.000000006 vela chuan kha hatiang thau kan hmang za used to express very large or very small numbers used to express very large or very small numbers that's scientific notation hei ke pai kan share kar tur ni share reng thau thai hil next using exponents in real life ni tin nga hian ai kan tun tang calculating large power in physics and chemistry physics and chemistry pai mo mani tu rocket siam don te equation mak nei noi chokai ta chuan apoi mo tu exponent simo chu tiang chi chung chemistry apo apoi mo tu chu he basic atang kan man chuan in kin zela po physics mo chemistry at po ni as ve kha po ni kan mang don thoma poi mo ni calculating large power achan chu number pui tak tak thom do na next representing population growth India ma chuan mi chu zat kan mi chu zat kan zia lak dong chuan bol thal to khati khan hatian than kan hmang taka dik keu ta ni na chang shet kha hun le ta chani kan shet leng tu chu he ka zer hi eng angai kaman tanga thiang kan ni tin wa ya hian ni kaman tang kai thiang dikha ngai tur ve reng tur next a chuan computer memory and data storage size computer memory and data storage size tunai chu kan hrevat tunga real life data tang pu chun ta ni real life ka kan tang pu chun ta ni next a chuan practice question kan chok thinang simple don ni kha har mi lo ba kan chok thinang number 1 a chuan 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4 กัน law of exponent มันมีแฟกเข้ากันทั้งตน law of exponent กันเทียมจนให้จุกันเทียมซาอัลตุกกันหมู่100%อันสักกันเชิงหาไทยlaw of exponent เข้าค่ะเทียมเป็นเลขตัวที่นั้นมั้ย number 2ตัวนี้ 5 to the power 2 bracket to the power 3 again number 3 write 0.00045 in scientific notation และอันจกเลยลกกีฬาHello tro ne en sinang kan au ti khamem jen 2 to the power 3 และ2 to the power 4 so เลือก exponent สักคัน a to the power m into a to the power n to a to the power m plus n เนี่ยอาไปสินังเววางอิน power ที่กับเนี่ย3 plus 4 to 7 so ทุกคำว่าสิมาที่ปัจจุบันจะสอบนี้ปริยัติช่วงค่ากันนั่นสิnumber 2 5 to the power 2 to the power 3 so กัน law of exponent มีเท่า a to the power m to the power again n กันดีค่ะ so a to the power m into n 5 to the power 2 into 3 to 6 draw then 5 ค่ะ5 to the power 6 to 1 5 6 to 5 5ค่ะไว้รุกเรียนกันmultiply ตัวที่นะ5 into 5 into 5 into 5 more into 5 again into 5 again to 1 5 6 to 5 number 3 scientific กันได้ตรงนะto 0.00045 to ตัดลงส่วน 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 power minus 4จำมันตรอpoint นี้กันสุนเพงvoi khat voi ni voi thum voi li na chin 4 le 5 กันกันda chonin voi li phei ti na nia so heta hi nei 10 to the power minus 4 chia a phei awang in minus nin don a lo tro le kha sum khan ni to nan summary exponents show repeated multiplication thil pakhat kan silo ka exponents mo table thiam ai ni timetable thiam chun tun trap ai don mil onia ho te kham match chu te nang ania match re chu teng mai skip thelo ai zom vek don tunai je po hi engang pon je sang mo bsc msc ai atang kai je le don bang tu teng mai hi ho mai me lak lo to ni lak le tu next learn and apply the laws law of exponent ho kha thiam chiana apply the law of exponent kha tam lo nia a lo to useful in many real world context hai chu chiang sa denga to kan ni na pom man changai tam tak nia tin an jila ngai po nia de de chonin mo em man kha jong kha wo kan jer thei nia thil har tak ani lawa thiam chiang la ko chu han den le tila atom nang soi do chu kan law of exponent ho ka che chiang ila chonin an po kha cho thei ni phim phur takin luk takin kan chok chho do nia ome